Okay, so I thought I'd do a revisit of these units because I haven't filmed these in like 4 years. I filmed these 4 years ago, back in like August 2021 or something. These ham stands. Yeah, this one's like a 4-ton or something. Alliance compressor. Yeah, 4-ton 2016. This is the weird 3-phase silver. This one's 3-phase, this one's single phase. I don't know why. Cream plastic. There's that 2003 Bryant that replaced the 2002 38 YCC. That was 3-phase. Bristol compressor. This got put in a few years ago, used. I don't know why. There's the 03 5-ton AM stand. Fun fact, that recep's actually an original from 2006. It's got the 6.7 Climato. Shut off. Yeah, 2003 5-ton 3-phase. Of course, the recep's on original, but whatever. There's the 5-ton AM stand silver. Yeah, Alliance compressor. So yeah, that's about it. Just thought I'd revisit this entire complex, which there is actually more to show. Here's these ones. Y'all might remember these. This Comfort plays a train from 2014 that I filmed a few times. 2023. That one I got that freaking ICP at the end defrosting a few years, like 2 years ago or something. Yeah, Copeland's roll. 03 3.5 ton. And this ream is one of the oldest units remaining in this complex. It's an 02 3.5 ton. That train is a 5-ton from 2010. I got the train that used to be here defrosting before it croaked. This Gemini is a straight coal. I do not know why they got a straight coal, but they did. Copeland scroll. 2016. But yeah, that's those. This Rude replaced a 2008 Ream, and that replaced a 2014 Bryant. This file. For some reason, the logos disappeared on both of these. I have no idea where they went. And y'all probably recognize these. That replaced the 2002 Ream. That replaced the 1987 Rude. Of course, the Rude is long gone. From what I recall, the blades were just missing. They just despawned. Yeah, it's got Copeland. That Goodman is actually R32. That was just put in this year. Kind of sucks. I wanted to get that 02 Ream, but that did not commence, unfortunately. Oh yeah, there's also some Geminis that I did film a while back. This one's a 2013. All of these are just pretty common Geminis, not particularly special. As I don't think any of these are. That's all. Thanks for watching.